friends, welcome again. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss about what are the basic uses of distinct clause with select command. Okay, so why do we use distinct clause with select command? So it's basically used to remove the duplicacy. Okay, and it select only distinct data from the DB table. As its name suggests over here, it is distinct. That means something different. So if you're going to use distinct with select, so it will select only those columns that have a different and a distinct value, not a duplicate value. If it gets some duplicate value, so it will discard that value. Okay, so this is what the use of this distinct command. It usually removes the duplicacy from the data. Okay, so this is what the syntax for this distinct command over here. It select distinct, the column name list, all the columns that we want to add, that we want to select from the table, and from table name, whatever the table name that we are going to using. Let us answer this with the help of an example over here. See, this is a table, this is a weather table consisting of three columns: city, average temperature, and tea date. Let's suppose we want to see names of the city. Okay, all the names of the city that resides in this table. Okay, and we want only those distinct cities. Okay, we can see in this example over here, Ludhiana is repeating two times, Amritsar is also repeating, and Chandigarh is also repeating. So we want only distinct values so that we get a clear idea about the cities that reside in the table. So we will use over here this distinct clause. Okay, so we will use select distinct city. Okay, so whatever the column that we're going to use, city from weather table. Okay, so this is the resultant of this query. Uh, it will take only distinct values. Okay, here Ludhiana, Amritsar, and Chandigarh. If Ludhiana is repeating, so it will discard this. After Amritsar, it will also discard this. It will also discard this Chandigarh also. Okay, so this is what the use of this distinct command. It only selects the distinct values and removes the duplicacy of the data. Okay, now we can also use more than one columns over here. For example, in this example, in this query, I have written over here two columns: city and average temperature. We want to select distinct city and average temperature from weather. So it will work over here like this. Okay, so the record that will uh, uh, repeat in this table. Okay, for example, firstly it will take Ludhiana 22, it will be considered. Okay, after that Amritsar and 21, it will also be considered. After that Chandigarh 20, it will also be considered. But after Chandigarh, the fourth record is that Ludhiana 22, but we can see that this record is repeating over here also. Okay, that means Ludhiana 22 is also present in the table, so it will discard this record. Okay, see over here, in this it is not present because it is discarded, because it is repeating. Okay, so it does not consist of any duplicate value, it only consists of distinct values. Okay, now after that, here is Amritsar 20, although there is also Amritsar, but there is Amritsar 21, so it is distinct from this. Okay, so this is what the resultant of this distinct clause. Okay, so for this case we used to use this distinct clause in order uh, to get reduce the duplicacy of the data and get a distinct value from the data. So this is what the use of this distinct command with this select command. Thank you.